तालिबान के आतंकियों ने
United Nation को
तोड़ा था।
they has to take
हिंदुस्तानियों के दिल को चीर रहा है।
verification, fact verification report
अफगानिस्तान में
to give to India
गुरुद्वारे पर काराना हमला
as per reading consulting that all Sanskrit manuscript, that Puran, Samhita, epics, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, etc. mentioned Vedas, places in the world and India. Those places, they have to decipher the name of Ramallah, Rome, Khartoum, Egypt, Horus, Isis, Ra, Ramadi, Baghdadi, Kaaba, Mecca, Al-Shiva, Haraj, Turkey, Istanbul, Greece, Siberia, Indus, Indica, Indus, Hindustan. So when the people is reporting me that some 13,000 temples were there in the original place of Hinduism or Orkism. Orkism, Sun Dynasty, Hinduism, Moon Dynasty. Moon Dynasty original place is West Pakistan, and India has got a name from that India, Indus River, Indua, and the river has got name from the Hindu clan inhabitants area, Indus. So they has to give explanations, all that cult how majestically similar Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea, Japan, Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, America. America is the America Desh, then Mayan cult Mayavi, and Mexico, Mexica Desh, Scandinavia, Norway, Italy, Rome. Then is Australia also. So all over the world we believe that the greater India and the greater India. So the British government is answerable with their old document. Those documents will not be compromised, and it's not supposed to be compromised. And India is need to be united, as India is harboring Muslim more than Pakistan or Bangladesh. So even that Muslim is originated from Hinduism. Mullah looks from Mullah, Kaaba, etc. All this explanation history I have given my 5 Facebook, 10 Facebook, 15 Facebook, and one report was submitted to India government India. It is all for world religious oneness and world people oneness. Source identities, those peoples, these Indian peoples, blaming, and particularly Indian government peoples remain anti-Hindu. Even in these countries made for Hindustan, kept mainly, but that has been secular. And to take this vote from these Islamic people, Pagani, just like Joy Biden, Democrat, etc., to push the immigrants or socialist slavery parties, to push to ask immigrants from outside so they can, that cult destroying force, Islamic dominancy creating the irreligious group of Bengali leftist group who has reached all over the world, more than 10 million people. Good English speaker has taken control all politics of the world, and they are doing harm against world humanity. So you have to give teaching of this man, and I in any way need this unification of Pakistan, merging of Pakistan into India and Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka and Nepal and Bhutan.
कि पाकिस्तान में
Afghanistan
हिंदुओं की जनसंख्या घटने की
also,
वजह क्या है?
then there will be no problem
कश्मीर पर छाती पीटने वाले
for the
इमरान खान
Islamic
कभी
fanatic
पाकिस्तान के
wrong people
अल्पसंख्यकों
of
पर हो रहे
China to do
अत्याचार पर
anything
बात क्यों
wrong.
नहीं करते?
If China
चीन में
can
उइगर
keep
मुसलमानों पर हो
Uyghur,
रही
Tibet
ज्यादतियों
and
पर
other
मुंह क्यों नहीं खोलते
places,
हैं? जम्मू कश्मीर तो
then why India
इमरान
cannot
खान
take back
ऐसा
those
लगता है कि उनका
lands?
जमीन जाग जाता है।
And how doing wrong,
पाकिस्तान के
as
हिंदुओं और
USA
चीन के
called that
उइगरों पर उनका
Uyghur is
जमीन
wrong,
बर्फ की तरह जम
USA,
जाता है।
Russia
क्यों?
to blame to China, other NATO
बर्फ
forces, even Islamic countries.
और अब बात
Then how
पश्चिम बंगाल की करते हैं।
China can remain as a satanic
पश्चिम
power
बंगाल में ममता
representative
बनर्जी की
who
पार्टी
do
का
not give that
संतुलन
transparent
ठीक नहीं
data
है
to the world.
और इन्हें बहुत
So
जल्द इलाज की
this
जरूरत है।
country cannot remain in UN
पहले इनके नेता
Security
हिंदुओं की आस्था
Council.
पर चोट
It
कर रहे
is
थे,
illegal
अब
activity.
ये चीरफाड़
And
करने
crime
लगे,
policy, peace baking,
लेकिन उसके बाद ये अपनी
the
गंदी
harmony,
राजनीति में हमारे
unity of
जवानों
the
को ले
world
आए।
peoples. This
इसलिए मैं
particular
बहुत पक्के यकीन से कह रहा हूँ, इसका
race
इलाज तो जल्द होना ही चाहिए।
run by these
साथ ही कानूनी
communist people,
कुटाई भी होनी
dominant
चाहिए।
culprit criminals.
नहीं तो यार
All the peoples of China may not be wrong, but this who is this culprit criminals, communist monster? They has to give democracy, return to the China. And is until they are not returning China, the satanic savage country cannot be kept further in US Security Council, even cannot be given that United Nations membership. It is not democracy and speech of freedom is not provided by these people. So this is that.
या फिर सेना को लेकर राजनीति करते हैं।
This has to do by Joy Bidens and Kamala Harris.
तुम्हारे जवान,
Your integrity is so.
हमारे जवान तुम्हारी
You
सियासत का
people
सामान नहीं है
has been tarnished
कि जब
by
चाहे
me and other.
राजनीति के लिए इस्तेमाल
Your
करो।
leader almost
तो
do
अपने
not
सीने पर गोलियां खाते हैं, देश की
in fear
हिफाजत
that
करते
your
हैं।
economic
तुम
power
लोगों
is
की
still
तरह
high,
एसी
but
के
your
कमरों में
country
बैठकर
will be
मलाई नहीं खाते।
dismantled. Those peoples who once told America Nipadja, America Nipadja, America Nipadja, America Nipadja, PLO कब्जा करने वाला Israel Nipadja, Western community Nipadja, Western peoples Nipadja. Now those peoples has come from Bengal and gathered at Cuban, Mexican Sea. They have captured your all science and technology, institute, media and political defense, etc. All these things, narcotic, illegal film productions and the media, the religious activity in the name of religious disguises they are doing under siege, turmoil, disturbance. So those reason. For that reason, I am Dr. Rabindranath Rao, as I am floated my all identity put in that book, and so you can get my identity.
Political party said, made this argument about BSF.
And these peoples of Indians, politics and the secretaries is not competent enough that why they cannot understand the Rishi Aurobindo's message, which could have make world better and brighter, united, harmony, prosperous than catastrophe, what whole world humanity is facing existence uncertainty.